Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to be talking about the fifth and last Studio One 4.6 new feature. This is going to be the convert instrument part to pattern function. This is a new function that if you are into MIDI and sequencing, you're going to find this very helpful. So let's dive deep into this. So as you can see, we have a track here. It's labeled as keys. It's an instrument track, and the My Thai virtual instrument is set to being triggered from this MIDI information. If we go ahead and press play, we should be able to listen to it. Okay, so you have the idea. How do you edit this MIDI? Well, if you double click on this MIDI clip, the edit tab is going to open, and you can see in this case it's an instrument track, so MIDI information is going to be shown in your good old piano roll. So you can basically click, drag to modify the length or the position of the notes. You can also click, and then these bars down here will control either the velocity or modulation, pitch bend, aftertouch, MIDI messages. So if you're working with velocity, for example, you can click, let's say, on this note, then pull down this bar, and the velocity just went down. If we click on this second one, and we drag it up, the velocity goes up. Now, this is the piano roll way of working with MIDI. We're going to be working with, or we're going to be explaining or demonstrating this new function that will turn this MIDI or this MIDI piano roll view into the old school pattern view that you would find on old style sequencers. And how do you do that? Well, if you right click on the MIDI clip, you're going to go to instrument parts, and then you're going to find convert part to pattern. If you click there, the part just turned into a pattern that you would see that have this little block. So if you ever work with like drum machines and things like that, you should be familiar with these. So now if I press play, the part is the same. Okay, it'll play the same way, but now it's shown as a 32 steps sequencer. So it's the same thing, but now it is shown as in this case, a 32 step sequencer. So if you're more familiar with these, you might want to work in this mode. Now, if you want to go back, you can always right click on the same MIDI information and go back to instrument parts and then convert pattern to part, and it'll go back to the way it was before. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions, as always, call us at OBEDIA at 615-933-6775. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.